I shouldn't have got my son married. My son is very lenient to his wife. He has changed a lot after marriage. And my daughter-in-law, she always likes to dine outside. Doesn't like anything homemade. She hardly cooks, but she gets all the credit. Are these thoughts often coming into your mind as a mother-in-law? You must be trying to overcome these thoughts, right? Watch this video till the end to get all the tips how to combat your emotions now. Muhammad has explained wonderfully about how to combat these disputes or these confusions in the mind and who is responsible for this. If you have not bought a copy for yourself, I suggest you to go into the description box and get a copy for yourself because this is going to be a game changer. You will change a lot after reading this book, inshallah. So as a mother-in-law, these internal disputes that you have is very common because shaitan is the person who is trying to provoke you and trying to instill these thoughts in you. That thoughts which makes you more competitive or makes you insecure, or sometimes you become unrealistic and aggressive. These are all common because we human beings get driven to the force of shaitan. But we as human beings have to understand how realistic we are and how to be mindful about these forces. As a mother-in-law, you should be mindful about how your approach should be and how to control your own emotions. Because we humans have the potential to understand our emotions, feel our emotions, at the same time control our emotions. Secondly, seek protection from shaitan and see that you get best support from Almighty. Consistently read Quran and get the guidance because here you will be getting all those divine thoughts, how to improve yourself and dispel all other unwanted thoughts. Keep reciting azkars often because morning and evening azkar is going to help you to refresh yourself. It will help you to become a better version of yourself. Be with the righteous people. Choose the right company because these are the ones who will be giving you good suggestions. Avoid those who are trying to belittle or blame your daughter-in-law because these people who are blaming each other or who are trying to bring some negativity in your relationship is going to harm your relations. Strengthen your faith, have iman, and also trust Almighty because He is the only one whom you can trust. Get involved in righteous deeds and get yourself busy with these things because when you do that, your mind will be fresh and always be in the positive level. When your mind is idle, you tend to go mostly to negative emotions. So try to avoid these. Once you start working on these tips, I'm sure you will be getting amazing results. I always pray, may Muhammad get the rewards for all that efforts what she has done to write this book. Do like, share and subscribe the channel and also share this videos to most of your friends and relatives so that it can bring some positive results.